Long ago, a monster named Nian lived in the mountains. Every year, around the time of the new year, he would go to the nearby village in China and eat all the food and livestock. People were scared of him. This continued for years. But one day, Nian saw a villager dressed in red clothes. The red clothes scared him and he ran down the hill screaming. The villager was so scared that he dropped his metal bucket. The bucket rolled down the hill, making a horrible noise. Frightened, Nian began to run faster. The villager told everyone about his amazing deed. Next year, when Nian arrived, they waved red banners and made loud noises with the rattles they had made. Nian was scared and ran away. He never returned. That is the reason why people in China believe that red color signifies luck. One rice meal for 1,000 gold ingots. Long ago, there was a young boy named Han Zin. He was very poor and went to people's houses to beg for food. But soon the people were annoyed with him. So he tried his luck at fishing, but he could never catch anything. One day, an old woman was washing clothes at the river saw him. She noticed his pale looks and felt sad for him. She fed him a bowl of rice every day. Han Zin felt guilty as he had nothing to give back to the old woman. One day, he said, "I am going to find some way to repay you for your good deeds." The woman smiled and went away. After many years, Han Zin became the king of Chu province in China. He sent his soldiers to search for the old woman. One day, she came to the palace. Han Zin gave her 1,000 gold ingots, bars. From here comes the idiom, a meal of gold. It means to be grateful and repay those who have helped you. Out fishing. The last king of the Shang dynasty was a dictator. Jiang Shang, one of his ministers, decided to leave the kingdom. He went away and settled in a quiet place near the Wei River in the kingdom of Duke Jishang. The duke was always on the lookout to hire talented people. Jiang Shang used to stretch his pole, let his hook at a distance from the surface of the water, and sing, "Those that are tired of living, or those that are seeking their death, come up." The duke heard about his surprising way of fishing. He sent his soldiers to bring Jiang, but Jiang turned his back on them and said, "What a bad luck, little shrimps jumping instead of a fish." The soldiers told this to the duke, who in turn sent his official to bring Jiang. But Jiang overlooked him and said, "What a pity, only a small fish appears." Finally, the duke came and Jiang Shang agreed to join him. The empty pot. The emperor of China was growing old and had no son. He decided to hold a competition to choose his successor. So, he invited all the boys of the kingdom and distributed flower seeds to them. He announced that whoever grew the best plant would be the next emperor. The boys hopefully took the seeds home and planted them in pots. One of the boys, Ping, was considered the best gardener. He tried his best to grow his seed, but nothing happened. The seeds of the other boys quickly sprouted and grew. Finally, the day came to show the flowers to the emperor. The emperor looked at the green plants with a frown on his face. He saw Ping's empty pot and smiled. The emperor declared him the new emperor of China. He said, "The seeds I gave you all were cooked and thus could not grow." Ping was rewarded for his honesty.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.